Hello, I was told my Lennox M 10ACC-030-230-04 outdoor unit is toast and needs replaced. I just want to replace the outdoor fan unit as funds are tight right now. What units will work with my current setup?
Hi, I'm Brian. I'm here help. That's a 2.5-ton 10ACC-030-22 unit. They aren't produced anymore, and even the local supply houses don't have any stock of our 22 condensers anymore. The only way you'll find a replacement is online, either used on Craigslist or eBay, or new surplus online. If you do a Google search for 2.5-ton or 22 condensing unit, you will find many, but new ones are getting quite pricey these days. Here are a couple: https://www.wholesalers.com/Goodman Air Conditioner /GSC-130-30125-ton 13ACC Air Conditioner Condenser or 22 Refrigerant/14866.AC. Question equals 2.5% 20-ton % 20 or 22% 20 condenser http://www.amazon.com/25 SEER Goodman Conditioner or 22/DP/B005JHJK9Q. Pretty much any 2.5-ton, 13 SEER, or 22 refrigerant, cooling only condensing unit will work with your indoor air handler if installed properly. Let me know if I can help further. Otherwise, please remember to rate positively before you leave today. Thanks, Brian.
Will a 2.5-ton 14 SEER or 410 AAC air conditioner condenser work?
Hello again. In my professional opinion, I would have to say no. The cooling coil in your air handler or furnace will not be rated for, and will probably not tolerate the increased pressures, nearly double the size, of our 410A. It would also require the correct metering device, capillary tube, piston orifice or thermostatic expansion valve, to operate with our 410A, and changing that would be costly. If this is an A-coil installation over a furnace, you can keep your furnace but will have to replace the A-coil to move to our 410A. If your installation is an air handler with electric heat, you won't find a replacement coil rated for our 410A. Unfortunately, to use your existing cooling coil, you will have to stay within our 22 refrigerant condensing unit. I wish I had better news. Frown with the phase out of our 22, they pretty much get us all coming and going. Let me know if I can help further. Otherwise, please remember to rate positively before you leave today. It's how I get compensated for my experience and time with you. Thanks, Brian.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.